got some parts in to do kind of a tune-up on my car. I've got new plug wires, plugs, and a new distributor. It kind of just seems a little lazy when starting it. Okay, so I'm changing the spark plugs out right now. This is one of the old ones I pulled out. This is the new one, as you can kind of tell just by design. This one's a lot longer. So I pulled another plug out of a engine I had. This is out of a 307 Olds. It's a little bit newer of an engine, but I'm pretty sure the car I have has been running pretty much the wrong plug, and they're a little black and whatnot, so may have been having wrong plugs in the whole time. Alright, I got it started up, and it started really easy. I'm just kind of working on setting my timing right now. It's really hard to